Amanda. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Hope you're having an awesome day. Thanks for taking some time every day to hang out with me. Today's video, we have a skincare subscription box showdown between Facetory and BOXYCHARM monthly. I will leave my showdowns playlist to watch previous showdowns. And if you haven't already, please subscribe and give this video a like. Let the battle royale begin. These are technically July's, but I just get them super late, and I've been wanting to do a showdown between these two. I finally got over myself, and I figured still think it's worthwhile. That way you guys can see what Facetory Lux and BOXYCHARM's monthly mask maven have to offer. We'll start off with Facetory. Facetory's Lux is $19.99 a month. You get 7 sheet masks and a bonus full-size item. And I'm also an affiliate with Facetory. You can use the code ayyyeeeitsamanda20 for 20% off your order. Here we go. Ta-da! This is exciting. Looks like we got a bonus mask as well as a bonus full-size item. I'm excited already. So the first mask is by Showdown. This is the Camellia Nourishing Mask and it retails for $3.25. This is an extra hydrating sheet mask that provides the skin with a ton of nourishment and luminosity. This mask provides our skin with deep moisture, all while improving the tone and texture of our complexion. And even with all the extra moisture, our skin isn't feeling left too sticky. Good. I hate that sticky feeling. Yay for happy, comfortable skin. Key ingredients: Camellia japonica flower extract, an antioxidant-rich ingredient that soothes skin and provides the skin with restorative properties. The second sheet mask is by Dr. Time Peel. This is the A1 Normalizer Mask and it retails for $3. A restoring sheet mask that helps nourish the skin. This mask will leave your skin feeling and looking fresh and rejuvenated. We love that this mask is truly great for all skin types. This mask helps brighten our skin tone and smooth out our pores. Our skin looked so happy the next morning. Key ingredients: Panax ginseng root extract. This ingredient is anti-aging and calming. It helps add a hydration boost and soothes irritated skin. Rutin. This ingredient helps smooth out the surface of the skin, minimizing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. I need that too. Hello, mature skin. The third mask, I'm gonna try not to butcher the name. I think it's pronounced J-Juen. You can't handle this sheet, and it retails for $4. This sheet mask is infused with natural volcanic ash extract to help absorb excess sebum and tighten pores. It will leave your skin feeling clean and smooth. This purifying mask is perfect for summer. We love using this after a beach day or workout session. It really helps balance our skin so that our complexion isn't too oily or too dry. P.S. It also has a fun saying on the mask: don't forget to take a selfie. Key ingredients: volcanic ash extract. This ingredient helps draw out impurities to reveal brighter, clearer skin. Coffea arabica seed extract. This ingredient helps moisturize the skin, preventing fine lines and wrinkles. I need all the preventing I can get. The fourth mask is by Dr. Althea Natural Brightening Velvet Mask and it retails for $3. A comfortable nano microfiber sheet mask that contains milk protein, oats, and rice extract to fade out hyperpigmentation and brighten the skin's overall complexion. This mask feels super relaxing on our skin, and we love that it contains some of the best calming ingredients out there. Oats and rice extract really help the skin stay moisturized and hydrated without feeling too overwhelming. It's a great mask for those nightly pampering routines. Yes, I need to get back into self-care Sunday. Key ingredients: Bifidia ferment lysate. This ingredient helps moisturize the skin while improving skin elasticity. It also contains good bacteria to help balance the skin's microbiome. Oryza sativa rice extract. This balancing ingredient helps smooth out skin texture and hydrates the skin for a plump appearance. Good. Texture be gone. The fifth mask is by Yaida Daily Veggie Mask. Kombucha, and it retails for $3.50. Fermented ingredients from kombucha sink deep into the skin to reveal a brighter, healthier complexion. It will also add necessary hydration while providing strengthening properties to help support the skin barrier. This sheet mask helps revitalize our complexions. We love that it has such a lightweight, hydrating jelly essence. It's great for summer. We like using this in the morning for an extra glow throughout the day. Key ingredients: hello chemistry words, Saccharomyces xylinum black tea ferment, also known as kombucha. This ingredient helps provide the skin with straightening properties to minimize the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and dark spots. Gardenia jasminoids fruit extract, a great antioxidant. This ingredient will help boost the skin barrier and add any necessary hydration. Mask number 6 is by Ariel 7-day plus mask tea tree. A refreshing 2-step mask that helps control excess sebum and tightens pores for a smoother, clearer appearance. We love using this mask whenever our skin needs a break, which is all the time for me. It's super calming and relaxing. It's also packed with tea tree extract to help minimize blemishes and even out complexion. Directions and key ingredients. Take step 1 mask starter pad and wipe a cleansed face using the gauze side. Then gently switch sides to the soft embossed side to refine skin texture. Camellia sinensis leaf extract, also known as green tea. This ingredient is a well-known healer. It helps minimize fine lines, redness, and wrinkles. Take step 2, mask sheet and remove the protective film. Apply the sheet mask on the face and leave for 10 to 20 minutes. Remove and pat essence in until dry. Tea tree leaf extract is a great ingredient to help minimize redness, heal blemishes, and soothe inflammation. Mask number 7 is by Wang Jisoo Red Fruits Brightening Mask. This retails for $6 and it's packed with vitamin C. The sheet mask helps fade dark spots, brighten the skin's overall tone, and adds a beautiful radiance. This mask fits wonderfully on our face. It's a nice snug so all the essence can sink in. Our skin feels great after application and we notice a bright glow in our complexion the following morning. Key ingredients. Malus domestica fruit extract. This ingredient helps protect the skin from free radical damage caused by UV exposure and helps improve barrier function. Acerola fruit extract. Packed with antioxidants, this ingredient helps minimize the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles while being extra moisturizing. This herb tea mask is not on the card, so I have no information about it. It must be the bonus mask. And then we did get 2 bonus items. This is by Pureferet. Centella Natural Soap. A gentle face and body soap enriched with Centella ayyyeeeitsamanda to calm redness, irritations, and inflammations without over drying the skin. This soap is super hydrating and calming. It lathers really nice and has a lovely natural scent. It's the perfect soap for a relaxing shower. Our skin felt so smooth and happy. Key ingredients. Centella ayyyeeeitsamanda extract. A gentle yet powerful ingredient that helps calm irritation, speed up the skin's healing process, and evens out complexion. Directions. Lather on damp face and or body and rinse off. Best used with a foaming net or a wet loofah. And then our second skincare bonus, this is by Rated Green. This is the Hibiscus Scalp Pack. A scalp treatment that also works as a hair conditioner. This product helps provide rich nutrients to dry scalps. It contains 98% natural ingredients and doesn't leave our scalp feeling itchy or irritated. The best part is that it doesn't contain silicone, sulfates, parabens, synthetic dyes, or other harmful chemicals, which is good. I don't like any of that crap in my hair or skincare products. Why we love it. The scalp pack is everything we needed. It helps moisturize our hair while also treating our precious scalp. Our hair and scalp feel super refreshed and clean. Key ingredients. Hibiscus water. This ingredient helps provide a lovely light floral scent and helps the hair feel light and soft. Honey extract, a moisturizing and soothing ingredient that helps minimize irritation and inflammation. Directions. After shampooing, apply a generous amount to clean, wet scalp and hair. Gently massage and leave on for 5 minutes. Rinse thoroughly with warm water. No need to use an extra conditioner. This retails for $4 and then the soap retails for $8, and I just noticed at the very bottom right here it says bonus mystery mask. So this explains that 8th sheet mask. So 10 products total. That is awesome. I am super stoked for all that. I definitely feel like I got my $20 worth out of all of this. Since in total I got 10 items, it breaks down being $2 an item, and it definitely is more of a retail value when you add it all up. Up next is Boutique Monthly Mask Maven. Oh, look how cute in this little pouch. Up first we have the Peri Para Smoothie Time Mango Mask, and the prices of these items are not listed. What's better than a smoothie for breakfast? A smoothie for your face. This mango mask uses enriched extract of fresh fruits to calm irritated skin and leave behind essential nourishments. Next is the Sayum Natural Aloe Mask. Aloe and good morning. Soothe and heal your skin with this aloe sheet mask. Its hypoallergenic air seal sheet effectively holds and delivers a sense to your skin to ensure the the maximum hydration. And I just got an aloe plant for our bedroom, and I have to say the air definitely feels a little bit more pure. I get very stuffy at night, and I haven't been having that lately, so I'm loving the aloe plant, and I'm excited to try more aloe products. Third, we have the Pax Molly Real Eucalyptus Mask. This mask is formulated with Scutellaria bicalensis root and genuine gold extracts to firm and smooth your skin. It is perfect for aging, dull skin as it plumps and restores elasticity. The fourth mask is super terrifying. You see what I mean? It's staring into your soul. The fourth mask is JM Solution Mama Pureness Firming Up Mask. Just gonna set it down right there. I don't want it staring into my soul while I read about it. This mask contains amino acid complex and collagen to provide firming effect and elasticity for younger looking skin. Wake up looking even younger than the day before as this mask tightens and lifts sagging skin. The next mask is by Coast W My Real Skin Egg White Mask. Egg white helps tighten and clean large pores, making your skin smooth. It also nourishes and straightens the skin's barrier. Also contains licorice, which helps rid skin or old acne scars and dark spots. Interesting. I did not know that. If that's the case, why are we not rubbing Twizzlers all over our face? Again by Para. This is the Smoothie Team Pomegranate Mask. This ultra thin sheet mask is filled with fresh fruit extracts and other natural ingredients to moisturize and soothe your skin. Pomegranate extract makes this mask perfect for anti-inflammatory and anti-aging benefits. Again by Pax Molly, this is the Real Honey Mask. Good morning, honey. Brighten and fix uneven skin tones in one step with this mask. Featuring honey extract, this mask moisturizes, firms, and smooths even the most problem areas. The last mask is by Coast W My Real Skin Coffee Mask. There's nothing better than the smell of coffee in the morning. Facts. Except this coffee mask. Caffeic acid boosts collagen levels and slows down skin cell aging, keeping your skin smooth and useful. So we got 8 sheet masks and then a bonus mask. This is by Dermaria Spout Pouch Easy to Use Cosmetic. Doesn't really say, but I see key ingredients of citrus lemon and honey extract. Peel off. Interesting. Peel off masks and I don't normally get along, but we'll see how this one treats us. It's really hard to tell which one would have won the showdown. Boutique Monthly is $5 cheaper and you get 8 masks plus a bonus totaling 9. But Facetory, you pay $5 more, get 7 masks and then a bonus full-size skincare item. In this case, 1 bonus sheet mask and then 2 bonus skincare items. I'm definitely conflicted to say which one is the winner. I think the $5 more for Facetory goes a long way because of the extra skincare bonus items. It's always fun to see what you're gonna get. In the past, we have gotten full-size serums, moisturizers, cleansers, toners, the whole shebang. But if you're on a stricter budget, Boutique Monthly might be the better option. I'd love to know if you get Facetory or Boutique Monthly. How do the masks work out for you? Which masks sound the most exciting? It's really hard to say which mask I'm most excited for. A lot of them said hydrating, anti-aging, brightening. I need all that. Mainly hydrating, followed by anti-aging. And are you guys excited for the next month's box? Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and if you don't, I appreciate your view anyways, and I'll see you in the next video.